Hello everyone, welcome to my video. In this video I will show you how to install Python. So Python is a programming language and it is very famous among programmers because it's used mainly for data analysis and also for game development and website or web apps. There are a lot of possibilities. You can also create GUIs or desktop apps using Python. There is an n number of possibility using Python, and it's very famous because the syntax is so simple as an English language. So we'll break down the video into parts. First we'll go and download Python. We need to download Python from www.python.org. From this website we will download Python and we will install Python version 3, and we will see some basic operations in Python terminal. So first we'll go to this website and download Python. So open your browser and we will go to www.python.org and navigate to the downloads tab. You can see you need to click here. So it will ask to save the file. As you can see here, we just downloaded the file. Now you just run this file as administrator. You'll get this one. Make sure you click this option. You need to add Python to the path, which means you are adding the executable to the environment variable so that you can access Python using your command prompt. After doing this, you just click install now. So now it is installed. You can go to start and you can see here IDLE, which means this is the Python IDE. Here it's a Python shell basically. Here you can type your Python code and you can see the output like more of a console input-output system. You can just go and do some basic arithmetic operations, like you can give 2 plus 3, show you the result as 5. I hope this is visible. I will try to increase the font size for better visibility. Go to 16. I think this will be a bit more visible. Yes. As you can see here, I just typed 2 plus 3. We got the output as 5. I can also do multiplication. I can just give 2 into 3. It shows 6. I can also do division. 2 by 3. It will show you 0.6666. I cannot do this one, which means there is no name. A is not defined. It's giving an error. What I can do is that I can store a variable in A and I can print that. For instance, I can give A equal to 2. So the number 2, it's stored in the object A. Now I can print A. So it will show the value of A, which is a variable. I can also store a string. When I want to store a string, I need to give it within quotes. Like this is a string. Now if I try to print A, it will show this one. I can store x is equal to 20 and y is equal to 40. I can give x plus y, so it will give it as 60. I can also do x into y. I can also raise x to the power 2, which means x double star 2. It will raise x to the power 2, 400. This is a very simple basic operation in Python. In the next video, we'll see how to install an IDE and how to access link Python to the IDE and code there. Thank you.